Hello, welcome to the channel. What we're going to be doing is restoring some of the faded trims on the car. The car is 17 years old now, and as such some stuff's faded. I'll give you a tour. That's about it. So let's start pulling some pieces off. I probably want to do the paint stuff first so I can paint it and get that drying while we have a look at the easy stuff. These are pretty dirty, so I'm going to take these outside and give it a clean off. Alright, while we're waiting for that stuff to dry, and then pull this whole trim piece off because I feel like it would be a lot easier to get at if it's not on the car. As expected, it's pretty dirty up in here, so I might give all this a bit of a clean. Alright, we've got 3 coats on either side. Done 3 coats on both of these. I've been recommended to fold these in and then paint the bits in there as well. So I'm gonna wait for these to dry a bit longer than do that. Shout out to Brock for the suggestion, appreciate it. I never would have thought of that, ever. All right, while we wait for the paint to dry, let's tackle some of the exterior trim pieces. We have some black trim restorer from Snowfoam. It says to just bang it on there, let it dwell for a minute or two, and then wipe it away. So, let's give it a go. This to this. This stuff works well. It's kind of hard to tell in the light. This is one of the door trims that I've done. You can still see the marks, but when you stand back and look at it, it's definitely a lot nicer than this one. So I probably still will replace these eventually, but that's definitely an improvement. I'm gonna give that and the wipers a little bit more time to dry. So let's try and work out how to put these back up in there. Regarding these little clips, I love just putting that part in and not putting the shitty plastic screwdriver bit, because you can never get them out, and that holds them in pretty well. That's not going to go anywhere, and they're 1,000 times easier to get out. I just got like a whole pack of them. It's like 20 bucks off eBay, and it's like 3 times what you can see there. Bang that in, good to go. It's hard with the sun, but it does look a lot better. It's not perfect by any means, it's not perfect, but it's an improvement. forget to mark where the wipers go, so I'm hoping that's right. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed that. It was nice to do some aesthetic fixes on the car. As I said, drip moldings, roof moldings and all that, probably gonna have to be replaced. The driver's side wiper definitely probably needs a proper strip and powder coat sandblast job because there's a bit of corrosion on it, but that's a whole lot better. Quite happy with the result. Snowfoam's trim cleaner did very well. I will link it below if you want to pick one up. And like I use like 5% of the bottle, so happy about that. Anyway, that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see me fix my coilovers, watch this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.